Hello. Hello? I don't know why I tried to show my mirror that. We barely even try to get your money from a trust fund. Do it all this time. I don't know if that's gonna stay. It's gushing. We'll see how long that lasts. So hi, long time no see. I realized like my last video was like a year ago. I'd bring it back with a Himiko Toga tutorial in some sort of way. We'll see how it goes. I have really no plans for this. I just wanted to do a thing on here because it's been dead for a little while. I don't know how long that backdrop's gonna stay up. That's okay. We're here to have a good time. I should be starting here instead of there. And I just need to figure out this YouTube thing. Start with my eyebrows. I guess I'm gonna talk through it, which is fine. If you can hear my fan in the background, I'm really sorry. It's just really sunny and stuffy in my room. So please bear with me. Eyebrows though. Eyebrows done. I'm gonna put some eyeliner primer, not eyeliner. I've lost all my stuff. Hey, nothing's changed. I still don't set anything up beforehand. Anyway, eyeshadow primer. That's what I was trying to say. I'm gonna jump to. I usually put eye bags on for Himiko, and nothing is out because that's who I am as a person. Purple. I just do it with my fingers because I'm a heathen. Bring it down right there under my eye. I just kind of follow the eye bags I already have. Because who are we trying to fool here? Eyeshadow. Not a new thing, so I kind of want to try it because it's like perfect for her colors, honestly. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm like so totally using natural light, so I'm really sorry that it keeps changing. I'm going to do my best to try to keep it consistent, but if it doesn't, I'm so sorry. I'm going to use, a lot of my eyeshadows are Urban Decay, or at least the ones I'm going to use for this one. So I'm using a color called Midnight Cowboy for like the very inner corners. And then the rest I'm not going to pretend like I know because I'm kind of just going to make it up because I haven't used this new palette for her. So hopefully it'll look nice. I kind of saw it and went, I need that for Himiko. So hopefully it'll look okay at the end of this. The new palette I got is the cherry one. It's super cute. I've used it twice since I got it. It is super cute. Oh, you can see how messy everything is. You can kind of see yourself. Hello. It's super cute. I'm going to use some of the reds and stuff because I think it will look really nice with her eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with Turn On, which looks kind of like Midnight Cowboy anyway, but we'll use Devilish because it is a super nice red. Not that this is like a review for this palette or anything, but like there's a little bit of fallout, so be careful. It might be because I still don't know how to use the brush, because I was used to a different brush and a different makeup palette, so like I'm not gonna pretend I know what I'm talking about there, but I've just noticed that I kind of come away with the red under my eyes, which is fine for this look because I'll be bringing it under my eyes anyway, but I'm gonna maybe bring Bing in? No, I'm gonna do Bang Bang because that one looks pretty. It's like a pinkish color. And I'm gonna try Young Love, which is, I guess, fitting in a weird way. My eye. Not just like the right under the waterline, but like know what the term is for this, but like where that like crease is under my eye, I'm bringing it down to there. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do the hearts. I'm gonna do the hearts because I haven't done it in forever and I think they look cute. So I have like a little Valentine's Day sticker sheet. I'm just gonna put it right here. And right on the other side. Try to match them up. Cool. It's just cute anyway. I'm a sucker for stickers. Just putting blush over it. I tend to go pretty dark with Himiko. That's just me. Okay, if this gets really bad, I'm sorry. It's autumn and the lighting is garbage. But we're gonna keep persevering. I might even bring back the eyeshadow palette I was just using and like go just around the edge so it has like a little outline of a darker color. I'll probably go back in with Devilish just to tie that together. Hopefully. Oh yeah. Sticker. Oh, ow. Yeah. It follows that like love yandere look, if you will. And I don't know if you can tell, but that outline of like darker, like the Devilish color, the eyeshadow that I used, definitely makes it look really nice. I think the only thing to do is eyeliner and eyelashes, and then I'm gonna put fangs in and do my lips, I think. Yeah, so people ask me a lot where my fangs are from, and they are from Dracula House. They are the Sexy Bite Smalls, I believe. Coolio, we got those done. Now we're gonna do lips. I'm gonna put some concealer on it. I think I'm just gonna put a darker color in the center and then slap lip gloss on it and call that good. That is, I think, most of the look. I don't think I did very much more, if anything. I don't know if, I can't remember off the top of my head if she has eyelashes underneath, but sometimes the Boku no Hero girls do have eyelashes underneath, so maybe you could do that. This is how I do her look, plus the little hearts that I did for Valentine's Day. I can't remember words. Plus the little hearts I did for Valentine's Day, because I thought that was really cute, but it might be how I wear her for the most part now, because this is really adorable. I don't know what this is. I just panicked because I saw it was counting down how much space I have left, so we'll actually see you guys later. Bye.